Hey guys, we're back with another LEGO build, and we're going to be building the LEGO Technic Monster Jam kit of the Megalodon. It is a pullback action Technic kit, and it has a 2-in-1 kit actually, so you can build both these cars with it if you wanted to. I'm actually going to be building a sports car tomorrow because don't really know if it's going to reduce the friction, but I feel like there's too much friction as the Monster Jam side. Or the Monster Jam build, and I'll show you that here in a second once I actually get it together. But until then, enjoy some royalty-free music, and let me know if there's anything down in the comments that you guys would like me to build in the future. I really like doing these one-off build videos every once in a while, and so yeah. I'll see you guys back at the end of the video whenever I get this guy done and show you him in action. Okay, one thing that it took me to figure out is that you have to pull it back a lot, because I was trying to pull it back a little, like you see me doing right here, just like 2-3 times. And if you do that, it doesn't really have enough power to move itself, but I found out that you need to pull it back all the way until it clicks once at least. I don't know how many times it can click, because it doesn't really say so in the instructions, but once I figured out right here that you just got to keep pulling it back till it clicks, it's actually got enough power to move itself pretty far. Now I'm actually going to have a little bit of fun with it because it took me like 2 minutes to figure out how to get it to go faster. Because I didn't want to break the spring, but I figured at the end of it, it's Lego. They probably got it figured out to where kids aren't going to break it too much, you know? so didn't have enough power there, but it's a fun little build. Let me know what you want to see next time.